Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, I'll show you how to delete messages in a Telegram group chat step by step. Whether you've sent something by mistake or just want to clean up your group conversation, this video will help you fix it in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or computer and head straight to the group chat where your message is. You'll need to find the exact message you want to delete. Take a moment to locate it. It could be a text, a photo, a sticker, or even a voice message. Once you've found it, tap and hold on that message. When you do, you'll see a few options pop up on your screen. Keep an eye out for the small trash bin icon. That's the delete button. Tap that icon. Now, Telegram will give you two choices. You can delete the message just for yourself, or you can choose delete for everyone. If you pick delete for everyone, that message will disappear completely from the group chat, so no one else will see it anymore. It's like it was never there. Keep in mind that deleting for everyone only works within a certain time frame after you've sent the message. If too much time has passed, Telegram might only let you remove it from your own view. So it's always best to act quickly if you need to erase something. You can repeat these steps for as many messages as you need. It's simple. Open the group, find the message, tap and hold, hit the trash bin, and confirm by choosing delete for everyone. And just like that, your group chat stays tidy and organized. That's all you need to know about deleting messages in a Telegram group chat. Remember, small details like this can make your messaging experience much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to share it with others who might need the same quick fix. Thanks for watching.